Hello students, now let's continue lesson number 6. We are going to see some more determiners. Okay, here we have few and little. Okay, these two determiners. We are going to see the three meaning of few and three meaning of little. Okay, so first one, see only few. If we use only few, it means it is negative. Okay, its meaning is in negative. So for example, there are a few girls means કે બહુ વધારે ગર્લ નથી. Negative means નથી. Okay, so that is the negative meaning of few. Okay, a few girls or a few students are there. તો ત્યાં થોડા students છે means positive. At least some. બરોબર, at least some, થોડા છે. It means a few. So few, at first few is used with negative. Okay, that is second. But few is used with countable noun or uncountable noun? Countable noun. Few is used with countable noun and little is used with uncountable noun. Little is used with uncountable noun. Okay, so only few is in negative meaning. A few it is in positive meaning. Few means વધારે નથી. Okay, then a few means થોડા, at least some, થોડા છે. પેલુંમાં નથી means negative, છે એટલે positive meaning. Okay, then the few means both. Very nice. Positive and negative both meaning. That બહુ વધારે નથી. But whatever number, the whole. બરોબર, જેટલા નંબર છે એટલા બધા. તો બહુ વધારે નથી. That is negative meaning. અને second positive meaning, જેટલા છે એટલા બધા જ. બરોબર. So I add the few apples. બરોબર, that is the example. Now see, few is determiner of number, means which this is determiners used with very nice. Number means countable noun. For example, we have few holidays. એટલે કે શું આનો meaning? થોડાક જ હોલિડે છે. It is positive. નથી. Okay, વધારે holidays નથી. That is negative. Very good. Now there were few girls in the class. નથી. બહુ વધારે girls નથી. Okay, that is negative. Then little is determiner of quantity. Quantity means uncountable noun. Okay, I have little rest during the day means little rest, થોડોક જ રેસ્ટ. હા, નથી. ડે ટાઈમમાં બહુ વધારે રેસ્ટ મળતો નથી. That is negative meaning. Okay, then there is little milk in the fridge. નથી. બહુ વધારે મિલ્ક નથી. That is the meaning of little. Okay, now note the difference in the meaning and use of few and the few. Now few is a negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not many. વધારે નથી. Not many, વધારે નથી. That is the meaning of few. Okay, a few is an affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of some, at least some. Okay, so થોડા છે. That is a few. And the few means it makes one negative statement and another affirmative, means one negative and second positive meaning. It means the whole of a particular number. The whole of a particular number. કે વધારે નથી means that is particular number, પણ the whole of that number, કે જેટલા હતા એટલા બધા. So that is the meaning of the few. Okay, now the few, a few and the few. Now see the example. He makes few mistakes. What is the meaning? વધારે મિસ્ટેક કરી નથી. ઓકે, વધારે મિસ્ટેક કરી નથી. ધેટ ઇઝ ફ્યુ. એન્ડ હી મેક્સ અ ફ્યુ મિસ્ટેક્સ. એણે થોડી જ મિસ્ટેક કરી છે. એટલીસ્ટ સમ, થોડી મિસ્ટેક કરી છે. ઓકે, આઈ કરેક્ટેડ ધ ફ્યુ મિસ્ટેક હી હેડ મેડ. એણે વધારે મિસ્ટેક કરી નથી, પણ જેટલી કરી એટલી બધી કરેક્ટ કરી દીધી છે. બરોબર. સો ધેટ ઇઝ ધ નેગેટિવ એન્ડ પોઝિટિવ મિનિંગ. ઓકે, ધ ફ્યુ મિસ્ટેક મીન્સ થોડી વધારે મિસ્ટેક કરી નથી, ધેટ ઇઝ નેગેટિવ મિનિંગ. એન્ડ જેટલી કરી છે એટલી બધી કરેક્ટ કરી દીધી છે. ઓકે, ધ હોલ ઓફ ધેટ પર્ટિક્યુલર નંબર, કે એણે જેટલી પણ કરી છે એટલી બધી કરેક્ટ કરી દીધી છે. સો ધેટ ઇઝ ધ meaning of the few. Now see, turn the page. Now thus sentence 3 makes two statement. આપણે the few જોઈ ગયા, એમાં 3 statements આવે. two statements આવે. First one negative, that the mistake he had made were not many, વધારે મિસ્ટેક કરી નથી. And second affirmative means positive meaning કયો આવશે? I corrected all the mistake he had made. એણે જેટલી પણ મિસ્ટેક કરી છે એટલી બધી કરેક્ટ કરી દીધી છે. So that is the two meaning of the few. Two positive and negative. Two meaning. Now the little. Same way, the little, only the difference is the little is used with uncountable noun and there few is used with countable noun. Okay, but the meaning is same, that little is used in negative, a little used in positive meaning, and the little is used in both meaning negative and positive. Okay, so use is just like few. Few ના જેવો જ યુઝ છે એનો પણ. ઓકે, લિટલ, અ લિટલ, ધ લિટલ, few, a few, the few. ઓકે, now little is it is a negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not much, વધારે નથી. Okay, a little, so it is in an affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of some, at least some, થોડું છે. Okay, the little means it makes one negative statement and the other positive. It means the whole of the particular quantity. Okay, so few means the whole of the particular number and the little means the whole of the particular quantity. કે જેટલા ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં છે એટલું બધું જ. એટલે વધારે ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં નથી, પણ જેટલું છે એટલું બધું જ. આઈ ડ્રિંક ધ મિલ્ક, આઈ ડ્રિંક ધ લિટલ મિલ્ક. એટલે વધારે મિલ્ક નહીં હતું, પણ જેટલું હતું એટલું બધું જ પી ગયા. ઓકે, સો ધેટ ઇઝ ધ મિનિંગ ઓફ ધ લિટલ. So first examples are given here. Now see, first one, he had little money. Now tell me what is the meaning of that last to third bench boy. What is your name? Poojan. Tell me the meaning of this. He had little money. શું meaning થશે? છે તો પોઝિટિવ મિનિંગ. થોડા પૈસા નથી કે વધારે પૈસા નથી, એની પાસે વધારે પૈસા નથી. નેગેટિવ મિનિંગ મીન્સ એના પાસે વધારે નથી. ઓકે, sit down, very nice. Then he had a little money. Now give meaning of this. What is your name? Aryan. Okay, tell me what is the meaning. He had a little money. A little means it is used in a positive meaning. Now see, say what is the meaning of this? A little money. થોડા પૈસા છે. ઓકે, એની પાસે થોડા પૈસા છે, ધેટ ઇઝ પોઝિટિવ. લિટલ મીન્સ તેની પાસે વધારે પૈસા નથી. નથી યાદ રાખવાનું. નેગેટિવ મીન્સ. ઓકે, વેરી નાઇસ. સિટ ડાઉન. And he spent the little money he had. Okay, now last bench, give the meaning of this. He spent the little money he had. Shaurya, What is Krishna? Okay. He spent the little money he had. What is the meaning of this sentence? क्या? हाँ, yes, yes, you can speak. उसके पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है, नहीं, जितना है उतना सब खर्च कर दिया है उसने. उसके पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है, ज़्यादा मनी नहीं है, जितनी मनी है उतनी सब खर्च कर दी. ओके, सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द लिटल. ओके, द लिटल. Now, the sentence 3 makes two statements. First one negative, second one positive. The negative is the money he had was not much. So, उसके पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है. So, नहीं और नथी. So, that is negative. And positive, he spent all the money he had. उसके पास जितना भी था उतना सब मनी उसने खर्च कर दिया. Okay, so that is the positive meaning. Okay, now this exercise we'll discuss later. Okay, now turn the page. Here much, many, fewer and less, three determiners given. Much, many, fewer and less. Much and less are determiners of a quantity. Much and less. Quantity means uncountable noun. Quantity means uncountable noun. Much money or much water. Less milk. Okay, so that is uncountable noun. Many and fewer are determiner of number which is used. Very nice. Countable noun. Many girls, fewer boys. Okay, so many and fewer is used with countable noun. Now much is used with uncountable noun. Many is used with plural countable noun. So many is used with plural countable noun. Many girls are, many boys are. Because here we are going to see about many are also. એટલે અહીંયા આપણે શું લખ્યું? Plural countable noun. Okay, so many is used with plural. Girls, boys, benches, classes. So these are plural nouns. So many is used with plural countable noun. So much of, for example, much. Examples of much. It is used with, it is a quantity and used with uncountable noun. Quantity means uncountable noun. So much of what you say is true. Much of what you say is true. જે કહ્યું એમાંથી ઘણું સાચું. So does your cow give much milk? Okay, so milk uncountable. There is not much food in the house. Food uncountable. Did you have much difficulty in finding it? Difficulty much. Now many is a counter. Many is used with countable noun. For example, I don't have many friends. Friends plural countable noun. How many eggs? Eggs plural countable noun. Did you buy? He does not know many things. Things plural countable noun. Were there many people at the meeting? So people plural countable noun. Plural people means a group of person. People means a group of person. So people is also used as a plural noun. Many is equal to many. Many is equal to many. See, in respect of meaning, there is no difference between many and many are. The only difference is that, so meaning is no different. The same meaning, many and many are. But difference क्या है? And plural. Only singular noun and plural noun. Okay, so many takes plural noun and plural verb. Many are takes singular noun and singular verb. So meaningમાં કોઈ ડિફરન્સ નથી. મીનિંગ બંનેનો સરખો જ છે બધા. મેની એટલે ઘણા બધા. મેની મીન્સ ઘણા બધા આવું મિનિંગ થાય મેની. ઓકે, but the many and many are, the use of these two determiner is different. Meaning is same. Okay, use of this determiner is different. Many are is used with singular noun and singular verb, and many is used with plural noun and plural verb. For example, many men is equal to many or men. Both are same. But એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ. Many a boy is absent today. Many a boy is are right. Many a use થયું means boy is a use થાય. If we use only many at that time, boys, many boys are many. We can also say that many a boy is, and we can also say that many boys are. Both are right. Okay, but if we put a at that time, we have to take singular verb and singular noun. જો આપણે અ લગાવવાના હોય તો સિંગ્યુલર જ હોવું જોઈએ. અ નહીં લગાવીએ તો પ્લ્યુરલ કરવું પડે આપણે. બરોબર, મિનિંગ સેમ છે પણ અ આવ્યો મીન્સ કે સિંગ્યુલર લગાવવું પડે આપણે. ઓકે, સો યાદ રાખવાનું. મેની અ મીન્સ ઇટ ટેક સિંગ્યુલર નાઉન એન્ડ સિંગ્યુલર વર્બ. સો મેની અ બોય ઇઝ એન્ડ મેની બોયઝ આર. Many boys are. Okay, absent today. Now second, I have been here many a time. I have been here many a time, and I have been here many times. A means only time, and many means many સાથે times plural આવશે. Many સાથે always plural noun. Okay, and many means singular noun. Now fewer is used as the comparative of a few. Few આપણે જોઈ ગયા ને. What is the meaning of few? થોડું, વધારે નથી. What is the meaning? ज़्यादा नहीं है. ज़्यादा नहीं है. So इसका meaning होता है few. हाँ, not many. Okay, that is the meaning of a few. So see the example today. But when we use few in a comparative form, at that time we use fewer. So fewer is the comparative form of few. Few no comparative form છે fewer. Okay, so fewer. See, today bought fewer eggs. સો આપણે કમ્પેર કર્યું કે આગળ કરતાં વધારે એગ્સ ખરીદ્યા. ઓકે, સો ટુડે બોટ ફ્યુઅર, વધારે નથી ખરીદ્યા, બહુ વધારે ખરીદ્યા નથી, નેગેટિવ મિનિંગ. બરોબર. સો ટુડે બોટ ફ્યુઅર એગ્સ, આજે બહુ વધારે એગ્સ ખરીદ્યા નથી. ઓકે, સો ધેટ ઇઝ ધ મિનિંગ. There were fewer men than women. So हाँ, woman કરતાં વધારે man નથી. ઓકે, વેરી ગુડ. સો હિયર શું થયું? કમ્પેરિઝન થયું. સો વી યુઝ ફ્યુઅર. જ્યારે કમ્પેરિઝન થાય ત્યારે ફ્યુઅર. હા, comparative form of few. No fewer than 20 workers were absent. Okay, so 20 કરતાં વધારે absent નથી. Okay, so that is comparative. Now less is very rarely used as the comparative of little. Okay, so less is very rarely used as the comparative of little. Little no comparative તરીકે less very rarely used થાય, but it is an independent comparative and has no positive degree. Less has no positive degree. It generally denotes quantity. Okay, it has no positive degree and rarely used as comparative degree. So it is a independent word we can use. Okay, less. સો સી જનરલી ડિનોટ્સ ક્વોન્ટિટી અને એ શું બતાવે ક્વોન્ટિટી. ઓકે, સો ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટલી યુઝ એન્ડ જનરલી ડિનોટ્સ ક્વોન્ટિટી મીન્સ યુઝ વિથ અનકાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન. ક્વોન્ટિટી મીન્સ અનકાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન. સમટાઈમ ઇટ યુઝ વિથ કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન ઓલ્સો. લેસ. ઓકે, તો એના પણ આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું. સો બટ જનરલી શું આપ્યું છે? જનરલી ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝ વિથ અનકાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન. સમટાઈમ ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝ વિથ કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન ઓલ્સો. Which determiner? Less. See, I have less money than you. I have less money than you. Money uncountable noun. Okay. Today I had less work to do. ઓછું વર્ક. એક વર્ક બે વર્ક નહીં, ઓછું વર્ક. ઓકે, સો less work to do. Now don't think it has less importance. Importance uncountable noun, so less we can use here. Okay, so we'll stop here and next examples of less we'll discuss later. Okay students, take care.